If you've struggled to grow ginger before, this is the way to do it, because I was always struggling with it. I'd lose it in the garden, didn't remember where it was planted, they get rotted in the wet season, they get eaten, all sorts of stuff. But check these guys out, aren't they amazing? So really the trick is to give them amazing drainage and to keep them contained so you know where they are. So I've planted them in these geofabric bags from Aussie Gardener, and I filled it full of the best stuff possible: compost, manure, organic fertilizer, all the good stuff, tons of mulch. Planted some beautiful basil next to them as well, and they are just growing absolutely amazing. I have to say, most stuff actually grows really well in these bags. I'm also growing some watermelon, which traditionally has not been very easy in here in the tropics either, but growing them in these bags have just been amazing. Look at this guy go. You know, I have no doubts we're actually going to get some nice watermelons out of these. If you want to know which variety this is, I can't actually read that. Here we go, Mountain Sweet Yellow. So great one to try in the tropics, and I can update you in a little while to say how well they go as well. But yeah, this ginger, try it, absolutely. I mean, look at these beautiful stems down here. I use a lot of the ginger in the water kaffir. So I'm very excited to see all these beautiful rhizomes growing under the ground, and some nice lovely little shoots down here as well. So yeah, try it. Raised beds. See you next time.